If you have an expensive or favorite jacket and the zipper slider has broken, it's not very difficult to replace the slider. The most time-consuming part is getting the correct slider and top stop. Zipper replacement parts can be found at a local sewing store. There are also some internet retailers whose websites are helpful at identifying what parts you may need. You'll have to identify the zipper type and the slider size. Most jackets are a number 5. Often the number is stamped on the slider. Start by removing the top stop from the side of the zipper that has the slider on it. This nylon coil zipper has a top stop with 3 prongs on it. I'll use a small pair of side cutters. I'll cut the 2 prongs of the top stop with my cutters. After the 2 prongs are cut, I'm going to grab the other side of the top stop and pull it loose. Then remove the old slider. Sorry about the camera shake. You might have to give it a little bit of a tug. Then put the new slider on the zipper. Give it a test to make sure that it works. Install the new top stop. Use the pliers to fold the prongs over and clamp the top stop onto the zipper. That's how to replace a zipper slide. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.